Hello, and welcome to the 100 IT based interview questions and answers session. We hope that this session helps you in your next IT job interview as a college student. Before skipping to any of the questions, make sure to hit like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel CareersTalk for more such content. Let's get to it. Question number 1. Tell us about yourself. Now, how do you answer this question if your percentage is low? As an IT fresher with low marks, you might feel intimidated by the question, tell us about yourself in an interview. However, it's important to remember that this question is an opportunity for you to showcase your personality, skills, and interests. Here's how you can approach answering this question. Example number 1. Hey, I'm Manoj and I recently graduated with a degree in computer science. While my grades may not have been the best, I have gained practical experience through internships and personal projects. I have experience with Python and Java programming languages, and I've worked with a team that developed a software solution for a local business as a part of my internship that helped them streamline the operations and increase efficiency. Outside of internships and work, I enjoy participating in coding challenges and attending tech meetups to network with other professionals in the field. In the future, I hope to become a full stack developer and continue working on projects that can make a positive impact on society. I'm extremely eager to cooperate with your company and the corresponding IT departments in order to strive for the common success. Example number 2. My name is Jagdish and I recently completed a coding bootcamp after realizing my passion for the IT industry. While my academic background may not have been in computer science, I've been able to develop a strong foundation in coding through the bootcamp. I've experience with JavaScript, React, and Node.js, and I've built web applications during my bootcamp. I've also worked I've also worked on a project where we used machine learning to predict stock prices. In my free time, I enjoy reading industry news and learning about new technologies. My ultimate goal is to become a software engineer and work on projects that can make a positive impact on society. I'm excited about the possibility of joining your team and contributing my skills and expertise to your projects. Example 3. I'm Tarun and I graduated with a degree in computer science. Although my grades are not as expected on the theoretical subjects, however, I have been able to gain practical experience during my internships and personal projects. During my internships, I worked on a team that developed a mobile application for a local business that allowed customers to book appointments online. I also have experience with Python and Java programming languages, and I've built several web applications using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In my free time, I enjoy participating in coding challenges and attending hackathons to own my skills and learn from other professionals in the field. My long term goal is to become a full stack developer and work on projects that can make a positive impact on society. I'm excited about the opportunity to join your team and contribute my skills and expertise to your projects. In conclusion, answering the tell us about yourself question in an IT interview as a fresher with low marks requires a combination of highlighting practical experiences, skills, personal projects, interests, and career goals. By preparing a concise and thoughtful answer, you can demonstrate to the interviewer that you have the passion and drive to succeed in the IT field, regardless of your background, academic performance, or low marks. It's important to remember that the interviewer is looking for a candidate who can contribute to the company's success. And by showcasing your practical experience and skills, you can show that you have what it takes to be a valuable asset to their team. Emphasizing your eagerness to learn, solve complex problems, and make a positive impact on the organization, it will demonstrate your commitment and enthusiasm to the role. Additionally, showcasing your ability to work in a team environment and your passion for staying current with the latest advancements in the field will further strengthen your case for the position. Question number 2. What are your strengths? Well, here are 3 examples of how to answer the what are your strengths question in an IT interview as a fresher. Example number 1. I consider my ability to problem solve as one of my strengths. During my time in college and internships, I've encountered various challenges and I've always been able to find creative solutions. I'm comfortable working with ambiguity and can quickly adapt to new situations. My attention to detail is another strength. I'm meticulous when it comes to coding and can catch errors that others may overlook. Finally, I pride myself on the ability to communicate effectively. I understand the importance of clear communication in the IT industry, and I'm comfortable explaining technical concepts to non technical stakeholders. These strengths have enabled me to excel in my previous projects and internships and can contribute to the success of any project. Example number two. Well, I believe my willingness to learn is one of my biggest strengths. I understand that technology is constantly evolving and I'm always eager to learn new skills and technologies. I'm confident in my ability to quickly pick up on new languages and frameworks. I stay updated on the latest industry trends by following blogs, attending meetups, and participating in coding challenges. Another strength of mine is my passion for coding. I genuinely enjoy coding and it never feels like a chore to me.
This passion helps me to stay motivated and produce high quality work. I've also been praised for my strong teamwork skills. I'm comfortable working in a team environment, and I understand the importance of collaboration in the IT industry. I can contribute my skills and knowledge to a team and can also learn from my teammates. During my previous internships, I was part of a team that developed a mobile application for a local business, and I was able to effectively collaborate with other team members to achieve the project's objectives. Here's example number 3. My ability to think critically is one of my strengths. I can break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable tasks and find creative solutions. During my time in schools, I worked on a project where we developed a software solution for a non-profit organization that helped them automate the process. I was responsible for the front-end development of the application, and I had to think critically to ensure that the application was user-friendly and met the client's requirements. My attention to detail is another strength. I understand that even the smallest error in coding can have a significant consequence, and I take great care to ensure that my code is error-free. I have been praised for my ability to produce clean and readable code, and finally, I'm comfortable working under pressure. I understand that deadlines are a reality in the IT industry. I'm confident in my ability to deliver high-quality work within tight deadlines. During my previous internship, I had to work on a project that had a tight deadline, and I was able to stay focused and deliver the project on time without compromising the quality of my work. To conclude, when answering the question, what are your strengths in an IT interview as a fresher, it's important to showcase a range of skills and traits that are relevant to the role that you're applying for. Examples could include problem-solving skills, attention to detail, passion for coding, willingness to learn, teamwork, communication skills, critical thinking, and the ability to work under pressure. It's also essential to provide specific examples of how you have demonstrated these strengths in your past projects or internships. And by highlighting your strengths and how they can contribute to the success of the company, you can make a positive impression on the interviewer and increase your chances of securing the job.
We now move on to question number 3. What are your weaknesses? Well, answering the question, what are your weaknesses in an IT interview, including the one where you are a fresher, can be a tricky task. Here are 3 examples of how you can approach this question. Here's the first example. I believe my weakness is my lack of experience in the industry. As a fresher, I've not yet had the opportunity to work on large scale projects or gain significant experience with certain technologies. However, I'm eager to learn and gain new skills. And I believe that my willingness to learn and my passion for coding will help me overcome this weakness. Additionally, I understand that working in a team environment is crucial in the IT industry. I'm looking forward to collaborating with experienced professionals who can guide me and help me develop my skills. Here's the second example to the similar question. My weakness is that I tend to get too focused on a task and lose track of time. While this may be a positive trait in some situations, I understand that time management is critical in the IT industry and missing deadlines can have significant consequences. However, I have been working on improving my time management skills by setting clear goals and deadlines and using tools like Pomodoro technique to help me stay on track. Additionally, I'm comfortable asking for help or feedback when needed, which can also help me stay on track and manage time more effectively. I understand that time management is an important skill in the IT industry, and I'm committed to continuously improving in the area. Here's the third example. I believe that my weakness is my lack of confidence in presenting my ideas to the others. While I'm comfortable coding and developing solutions, I tend to struggle when it comes to explaining my thought process or presenting my work to others. However, I understand the effective communication is essential in the IT industry, and I'm committed to improving my communication skills. I have been practicing presenting my work to friends and family members, and I've also attended public speaking workshops to develop my skills. Additionally, I'm seeking opportunities to work on group projects and collaborate with others to help me become more confident in a team environment. I understand that effective communication and collaboration are critical in the IT industry, and I'm determined to overcome this weakness by continuously working and learning and improving my skills. In conclusion, when answering the question, what are your weaknesses in an IT interview as a fresher, it's important to show self awareness and honesty. Instead of avoiding the question, use it as an opportunity to showcase your willingness to improve and learn. Choose a weakness that is not essential for the role that you're applying for, and provide specific examples of how you're working for overcoming it. This will demonstrate your commitment to self improvement and your willingness to learn new skills. And remember, the goal is not to give the impression that you're perfect, but to showcase your ability to overcome challenges and continuously improve yourself. And those were some of the interview questions that would help you in your next IT interview as a fresher. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel and hit that subscribe button to catch up with the next few videos on the series. Thank you for watching.